Hello friends, welcome to UA Infotech channel. So in this session, we will learn how to set up this Bootstrap. Okay, so how to download the Bootstrap and how to create a first program in Bootstrap. Let me explain. So let me go to this browser. Okay, you can type here getbootstrap.com. Okay, so here is the versions we have, the different types of versions there, 4 version, 5. If we click on all versions, it will show us the 3 also. Okay, I can choose here the latest version 5.3. Okay, later you can click on this doc here. Okay, so we have a documentations. So in this documentations, so in below we have, okay, in below we have a community and report and box sizing. This is all about this introduction. Click on this download option. Okay, and here we go. So we need to download here a compiled CSS and JavaScript files. So click on this download. So once you can click on this download, so automatically the download gets started. Okay, so after downloading this file, let's go to our source file. Okay, so go to this downloads. So here we go, this is a file we have. So I'll just extract this one. So go to our bootstrap file. So once we can open this Bootstrap file, we have the CSS and JavaScript files. So here, basically it contains two files, a minimized file and maximized file. I'll show how what is a minimized, I'll show what is a maximized files here. Okay, so before that, so we can select this whole folder. You can open with the code. You can click on this one. Okay, so automatically this a folder will be open in this Visual Studio. Okay. Now I can create a new program. Just create new file and we can save this file as a BS homepage. Okay, you can save any of the name you want. Just save this one BS home.html. Okay, so let me show. So here is the files we have. Okay, so let me click on this bootstrap.min.css file. So this is bootstrap.min.css file. If you click on this one, this is a minimized file. Okay, there is no line spaces and okay, white spaces and line gaps in between this. So this is a minimized file we have. And also we have a maximized file that is nothing but bootstrap.css. Okay, so both are the same. Most of the developers will use min file only because of minimized file will gives you the fast results because there is no line gaps. Okay, so here we have a lot of line breaks is it, and we have these white spaces. So these are the white spaces we have. Okay, so without white spaces it is a minimizer file. With white spaces we have a maximizer file. So these two files having in CSS, we always use this min.css file. Now so we can download we can download the bootstrap. Okay, and we can open it in this code, and first we can set the bootstrap link. Okay, so how to set this bootstrap link here. Okay, so I'll create one new file here, start naming with bs home.html. Okay, now I'll create one HTML program. So just click on this, and here setting up first bs code. Okay, so here I'll place a comment bs file link. So we can use link css bootstrap.min.css file. Sorry, you can use here bootstrap. We always use this bootstrap.min.css file. Okay, and here, so we can write here or a might. So this is the first program we have. Right click, open in default browser. Okay, so we set this here a bootstrap program.